Good evening, everyone. It is October 2nd, 2017. We are doing a quick $10 break, 2017 Leaf Trinity Football Hobby 1-box break number 32. 4 random players each, plus 2 free spot giveaway at the end of the break. So at the end of the break, I'll randomize a list of names in this. And the customers that come in at number 1 and number 2 at the end of the randomizer will win a free spot in number 33. So you get 4 random players, 72 total players on the checklist, 16 spots sold. You do the math, or it's actually 18 times 4 and then equals 72, because we give away 2 free spots in the last break. So Noah got 2 free spots in the last break, and then here's everybody else in the break times 4. So let's roll the dice. And it is a, what, 2 and a 1, so 3 times on the list of names and the teams, 3 times, or list of players, sorry. 1, 2, and third and final time. After 3 times, Ryan Redmond's at the top, and Jason K is at the bottom. So that's the Trinity list. Let's add this to the Google Doc we'll be using. 3 times now on the list of random players. 1, 2, and 3. After 3 times, we have Reuben Foster at the top and Nathan Peterman at the bottom. So I'm gonna blow this up just a little bit, and then I'll show you guys the way it came out. Then to make it easier, I'm gonna alphabetize the list of names by customer first name, so that way you guys can quickly see who you guys got. So this is the way the randomizer played out. Just like this. We'll go through it kind of slowly. So just like that. Now, I'm going to alphabetize it by customer first name. And here you go, Ashley. Probably won't go through every single player, just go through players that I kind of know. Like Derek Barnett's in there for Ashley out of your 4 players. Then you got Brad P. with Donnell Pumphrey, Corey Clement, Evan Ingram, Chad Kelly. So you have 1 Giants player, 2 Eagles players, and I forget who Chad Kelly's, what team he was under. You got Bradley Cook, Last Ball Mojo, with John Ross, D.D. Westbrook, Brad Kaya, Malik Hooker. And then Brian Shutt, you have Juju Smith-Schuster, Deshaun Kaiser, most notable. David McElmore, you have O.J. Howard, Jabril Peppers, Cooper Kupp, Sidney Jones. George, you have Jake Butt, Jeremy McNichols, Chris Godwin. Travis Davis, you have Wayne Gallman, Samaje Perine. Jason K, you have Nathan Peterman, Christian McCaffrey. Jason M, here's your list of players right here, including Alvin Kamara, Mike Williams, Malachi Dupree. Joe Fagundes, here you go. Donta Foreman, most notable. Mike Cody with Corey Davis, number 5th overall pick for the Titans. Nathaniel, you have Joe Mixon, Amar Darboh, Carlos Henderson. Noah with your free spots in the last break, including Deshaun Watson, Jehu Chesson, Joshua Dobbs. Ryan Redmond, here you go. You got Mitch Trubisky, Pat Mahomes, Dalvin Cook, Marlon Humphrey, Kareem Hunt. Nice randomizer for you. And Travis Lockmiller, you have Taco and Cooper Rush. So there you go, guys. Now let me just quickly title this. Right here. And I'm gonna leave it like this for about 30 seconds. I'm not sure if there's going to be any trades, but I'll give you guys 30 seconds or so. Most of the time there isn't. It's just so hard to make any trades with this. So Brad P is saying he'll trade anybody that he has if anybody wants to make any trades. But I don't see any trade activity in 10 Buck Breaks YouTube channel, so I'm assuming there probably isn't going to be any trades. But I've never actually seen one in Trinity. So we're just going to TWC it. Alright, so we'll just trade window close. So let me put this back to alphabetical order by player name. And let me quickly just print out this sheet for us. And just like the last couple breaks, we just had some Trinity boxes. Case that we opened up for mixers, so I'm just gonna go grab a random one. We didn't number these, so I'm just gonna go grab one really quick, and then we'll start this break. Alright, so once again, here are the list of names. Good luck to everybody. So here's the box. Big Trinity football. Let's open it up. Alright, let me just take this off. This always bugs me. Alright, guys. And the first one is a clear autograph, KD Cannon. So clear autograph, KD Cannon. That's going to go to Travis Lockmiller with the random player slot. So let me quickly just post-it note this. Put Travis's name right on there. There you go. Next one. We have Go Volts. R. Joshua Dobbs, 12 of 25. Nice little inscription in there out of 25. Joshua Dobbs going to Noah with a free spot in the last break. So there you go, Noah. Wow. Man, Ben, you're getting a lot of Tennessee Volts mojo right now. Next one is Derek Barnett. Look at that. That is a 1 of 5. Fly Eagles fly, Derek Barnett. Ashley Nelson. Look at that. Derek Barnett, 1 of 5. Vowels, sorry. Nice one, 1 of 5. All right, next one is a blue clear autograph, 14 of 25, Tez Tabor. Brian Shutt with Tez Tabor, combo with Tyrone Swoops. And the last one. First name starts with a J. And what do you know? Last spot mojo. Going to Bradley Cook, John Ross, 18 of 25. 3-color patch. A little bit of black here in the corner. Purple. And like a tan looking color right there. 18 of 25. Patch autograph, John Ross. Bradley Cook. So you guys can see it right there, John Ross. And there you go, guys. That was the break. That was Trinity Football, 1-box break number 32. Let me quickly just grab the list of names, and I will randomize them. And then 2 customers that are in this break will get a free spot in the next break, which would be number 33. Alright, so let's quickly grab the list of names in here. Get a new pair of dice. There's that. Let's roll it. A 1 and a 4, so 5 times on the list of names. Top 2 win a free spot in the next break. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. After 5 times, we have Ryan Redmond and Ashley. So there you go. Both of you now have won a free spot in the next break, which I will put back into the store right now. 10buckbreaks.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.